Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the Halloween event part 2 in Grow a Garden. It is honestly pretty much the same like when you submit it, except for this. So the witch does leave now. It used to always just be there whenever you need to submit anything basically, which I don't know, it just made it a little bit harder now because now it's harder to get candy corn. So let's just go to the jack-o'-lantern first. So they have added a submit all fruit. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, that's cool. Oh, there's, okay, a new grave digging activity will show up in an hour. Okay, so that's the new activity, I guess. And then I'm just going to submit all to the witch as well. Let's see. There's also new pets like the goat and then the dark spriggan. There's also new seeds. There's candy cornflower and blood orange. There's also now ghosty gadgets, Halloween gearbox, Halloween radar, suspicious soup, and witch's broom. And the decor, I think, is all the same. But yeah, that's pretty much it that's changed on the part 2 update of this event. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!